Okay, 2.3 properties of functions part 2. We're at Roman numeral 3 down at the bottom of the page there. We're going to be finding the average rate of change. Right, these are a couple Greek letters right here. This is this triangle, that's delta. So delta y over delta x. That equals f of b minus f of a all over b minus a. All right, two minus signs in this fraction. So what is this really? The average rate of change. That's simply the slope of a function from a to b. That's why we've got the a and the b in the formula. So let's write that down real quick. That's say this. Okay, so without seeing a graph, it's really kind of difficult to understand what's going on, but you've got a graph and they want to know from -1 to 1, right? We're at part A. What's the slope of that graph between these 2 points? Anyway, you just find that with this formula, this delta y over delta x business. All right, so I'm going to write that formula down, right? I want f of b minus f of a all over b minus a, right? Get it written down, get it memorized in case we have a quiz or something like that. All right, so f of b. All right, so these are your 2 points, -1 and +1. -1, that's going to be your a. The first number listed will be your a. The second number listed will be your b. All right, so what does that look like? That looks like this, f of b. Here's our function right here. So I'm going to put in 1 first. I'm going to go 1 squared, right? I'll put this in brackets just to make it look cool. 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 3 minus, and then we're going to go with a -1, all right? So -1, this is f of a we're doing here, minus 2 times -1 plus 3 all over b minus a, in this case 1 minus -1. Alright, so let's deal with this here. This is going to equal 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus a 1 plus 2 plus 3 all over 2, which is, let's see, 1 minus 2, that's -1 plus 3. That's going to be 2. And 1 plus 2 plus 3, that's a 6, all over 2, which is -4 over 2, which is -2. Basically, the slope on that curve, on that function, between -1 and 1 is going to be -2. All right, this is your slope. I'm just going to put that in words right there. You just found a slope, actually, all right? Delta y over delta x. All right, let's do part B.